Alright guys, I'm going to talk about knife safety. So there's 3 steps. Now, if your instructor has given you permission to carve, then you have permission to carve. Sometimes we'll just tell everybody you have permission to carve. But if it's a different time, just make sure you ask, because we want to make sure it's a good time for you to carve. So once you have permission, we want you to get safely situated. Okay? So that means I'm going to look around. I'm going to find a spot where I can sit or kneel. So I'm going to be sitting or kneeling, and then I'm going to have my knife still sheathed, okay, until I'm situated. And wherever I'm sitting, I want to make sure I'm solo, that there's nobody too close to me. So I'm not going to sit right next to somebody else. And I'm going to look around also and not choose a spot where people are going to be walking by all the time. So if there's like a busy trail right here, and maybe the only place to easily walk by is right here, I don't want to be carving into that area. So I might move off. If this was a trail, I would move maybe over here where people aren't just going to be running by. So now that I'm safely situated is when I'm going to remove my knife from the sheath. Now, you always want to be very careful taking your knife in and out of the sheath. So you want to do it slowly. You want to get a strong, good grip on the knife and make sure you don't have a finger above the rim of your sheath. So I'm going to carefully grab the sheath, carefully remove the knife, and now, so I slowly remove the knife. Now I'm going to get a strong grip, holding it all the way close to the blade, wrapping all my fingers and thumb around the blade. And now I'm going to be smart while I'm carving. So by be smart, I mean I'm going to be careful and deliberative and thinking. I'm going to look, which way is my blade moving? I need to make sure my blade's always moving away from my body. I can put the blade close to this hand as long as I'm moving away like that. But notice I'm carving into the air, or I can carve into a log and have a cutting board. What I'm not going to do, I'm not going to ever carve towards me. So don't carve like this. And I'm not going to be carving over my leg like that, where the blade is moving towards my thigh. So only into the air or into a cutting board. And when I'm done, if I want to get up or I want to take a break, I'm going to slowly and carefully put the blade into my sheath. And then I can get up and move. Have fun carving, and be safe, be smart.